Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. The festive season is around the corner and no festival is complete without sweets. Today we'll see how to make perfect Ghee Mysore Pak. It is made with 3 ingredients: besan, ghee and sugar. First, take 1.5 cups of ghee in a hot saucepan and heat until it melts. You can also use 1 cup of ghee and half a cup of oil instead for this recipe. The ghee has melted completely. Remove from the heat and cool it down to room temperature. Next, take 2 tablespoons of ghee in the mold in which you will set the Mysore Pak and grease the tin completely with the ghee. You can also use a plate to set the Mysore Pak. Next, take a cup of chickpea flour or besan flour in a hot pan and continue to roast the flour on a low flame for 7 to 10 minutes or until the raw flavor of the flour fades. Ensure that the flour doesn't burn. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Our flour is roasted well. Now transfer the roasted flour to a sieve and sieve it to ensure that there are no lumps in the flour. Do try this recipe in your kitchen and share your experiences in the comment section below. Next, add 1 cup of melted ghee to the roasted and sieved besan flour and mix using a whisk until there are no lumps. You know, the ratio of the ingredients is the key to the texture of the Mysore Pak. Now keep this mixture aside. Next, take half a cup of water in a hot pan. Add 1 cup of sugar and continue to stir the mixture on a low flame until the sugar is melted. You can use either a non-stick pan or a heavy bottomed pan to prepare this dish. Boil the sugar syrup for 5 minutes and also add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor of the sweet. Then continue to boil the syrup for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now check the sugar syrup for a 1 string consistency like this. This is the perfect consistency we want. Now add the flour and the ghee mixture to the sugar syrup. It is believed that this Mysore Pak had originated in the royal kitchen of the Mysore Maharaja Palace. From this stage, mix this mixture continuously on a low flame until the ghee is absorbed and the mixture thickens. Basically, there are 2 versions of Mysore Pak. One is a softer version made by the popular Shri Krishna Sweets and the other is a traditional version which is neither soft nor firm. Once the ghee is absorbed and the mixture thickens, add half a cup of ghee in 2 or 3 batches. I am taking 1/4 cup here. Continue to mix on a low flame until the mixture absorbs all the ghee. If you alter the quantities, the result of the Mysore Pak will vary. You can see that the ghee is absorbed and the mixture has thickened again. Add the remaining ghee and continue to stir again on a low flame until the ghee is absorbed. Finally, you can see that the ghee has been absorbed. It's bubbling away and has also paled a little and not sticking to the sides of the pan. This is the perfect consistency that we want. Immediately transfer the Mysore Pak to the greased tin. Even out the mixture on top with a spoon and tap the tin to release the air bubbles from the Mysore Pak. Now allow it to cool down for an hour. This classical, melt in your mouth, aromatic and delicious Mysore Pak is a real treat to the taste buds and is also a popular sweet in the southern parts of India. Turn the mold upside down and tap it on top to demold the Mysore Pak from the tin. Wow, isn't it perfect? Now cut it into the desired shape we want. Our enchanting and delectable Ghee Mysore Pak is ready. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Look at the texture of this melt in your mouth Mysore Pak. It's so perfect and soft. This scrumptious dessert recipe is sure to be loved by people of all ages. Try this easy dessert recipe and give your meal a perfect ending. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll meet you with another delicious and exciting recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.